Let's talk about audio in Davinci Resolve.
So when you look at the audio track in Davinci Resolve, you can see that there are two icons in here that has an S and one has an M. Once I press or click on the M, any audio that's on this track is going to be muted. So once I play, when it gets in here, there's going to be audio here because this track hasn't been muted and this track is going to be muted. When I use the solo is going to play audio that's only on this track. It's not going to play audio on any other track. So if it's on solo, it's going to play this and it's going to ignore any sound that's on the other tracks as well.
So someone will say, why should I use the solo whilst I can just mute the second track and just listen to the first track? You know, when it comes to editing videos, don't only limit yourself to just 2 tracks. If you are to be working on a very big project, there can be like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 audio tracks, and you would want to listen to only 1 track. And in doing so, you can't also say you are going to mute 9 of those tracks and then listen to just 1. So it's best to use the solo so you can listen to only the track you want to listen, and then the remaining tracks will be muted. I hope I make some sense. Yeah, I know I do.
Another thing you should also know is that if you want to increase the volume of your audio, you could see that there is a line in here. When you put your mouse cursor on it, you're going to see that it's going to give you this double-sided arrow. So all you have to do is to click and there's going to be a white line that you can raise it. Then once you raise it, you can see the amount of volume you are increasing, and once you decrease it, you can also see the amount of volume you are doing. There are audio mixers in here. With the audio mixer in here, if you can't see yours, all you have to do is to click on the mixer at the top here, this mixer, and you are going to see it in here. You can see there is audio 1. Any audio that is going to be put on audio 1 is going to control that volume. The same applies to audio 2. So if I should create another audio track, it's also going to add it up in here. So you can even extend it with this, or I can just scroll over and then I can get it in there. So when I extend it, you can see that we have audio 1, audio 2, audio 3.
What of the bars 1? Any track that you have on your timeline is also related to the bars 1. That's like the master volume. So when you make adjustment to your master volume, it's going to be in relation to all your audio tracks in your timeline. You can also disable an audio from a video by just holding Alt on your keyboard and just pressing or just clicking on the audio, and it's going to select only the audio from the video. You don't have to unlink them. The best way is for you to hold Alt, then you click on the audio that's attached to the video, and it's going to select only the audio, and you can then right click and uncheck enable clip, or you can just press D on your keyboard. I don't know if I customized my keyboard to use D, I don't know, but then you can just right click and uncheck enable clip, or you can just press D on your keyboard and you'll be fine. So this is all I have on audio as a beginner or as getting started in Davinci Resolve, but in future videos I'm going to talk more about audio. And yeah, I think that's it for now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more contents like this, and I'll see you in the next upload. Not in the next upload, in the next video. I have more videos you can watch, so just go and watch them.